first, let's talk about your needs. Before you even look at specs, think about what you'll use the computer for. If you just need a PC for browsing, streaming, and basic office tasks, a budget-friendly laptop or desktop will work fine. But if you plan to play games, edit videos, or run demanding software, you'll need more powerful hardware. Understanding your needs up front will save you money and prevent overpaying for features you won't use. Next, consider the type of computer. Laptops offer portability, long battery life, and the ability to work or study anywhere. Desktops, on the other hand, tend to be more powerful, easier to upgrade, and offer better value for performance. There are also all-in-one PCs and mini PCs for smaller spaces, but they may limit upgradability. Now, let's dive into core components. The CPU, or processor, is the brain of your computer. Intel and AMD are the main players, and both offer great options for beginners and advanced users alike. For general use, mid-range CPUs are more than enough, while high-end CPUs are better for gaming, video editing, or 3D work. Next is RAM, which affects multitasking. For everyday tasks, 8 GB is usually sufficient, but 16 GB or more is recommended for gaming, creative work, or running multiple applications at once. Your storage choice is also important. SSDs are faster and make your system feel snappy, while traditional HDDs offer more space at a lower cost. Many modern PCs combine both, an SSD for speed and an HDD for extra storage. Your graphics card matters if you plan to game or do creative work. Integrated graphics are fine for browsing, streaming, and light apps, but dedicated graphics cards like NVIDIA or AMD GPUs are essential for gaming, video editing, or 3D rendering. Don't forget about connectivity. Make sure the PC has enough USB ports, HDMI or display outputs, Wi-Fi support, and Bluetooth for your devices. Also, check the keyboard, screen quality, and battery life if you're buying a laptop. Finally, think about upgradability and warranty. Some computers allow you to upgrade RAM, storage, or graphics in the future, which can extend the life of your machine. Always check the warranty and support options. Even the best PC can run into problems, and good support can save you time and money. In summary, the ultimate computer for you depends on your budget, intended use, and future needs. Focus on the essentials: CPU, RAM, storage, and graphics, and choose a system that matches your lifestyle. Remember, a little research goes a long way, and understanding the basics will help you make a confident purchase. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and buying guides. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.